Hey guys, it's Michael here with Growing Indoors 365. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is a quick glance at what's going on in the tent currently and some of the things that are coming up. So check this out. We got the we got 3 reservoirs right here. I've been munching on all of this lettuce. So you can see some of it's actually growing back, but it's been serving a great purpose. I've really been enjoying it. I see that I really haven't got into this end right back here, so I really have to. But overall, it's been absolutely delicious. There really isn't anything like growing your own lettuce. It's unbelievable. It's so much thinner. It's so different than what you get at the store. I can't even describe it. Look at this. Look at this little head right here. This little nub basically growing from the current stem that's already developed. Unbelievable. This is just a quick tent update. So I've actually decided I'm going to be putting in, I got some lemon balm, I got some spearmint, I got a different type of lettuce. It's called Redalicious. So it's basically this type of lettuce, which is basically a certain type of romaine. Look at that, it's absolutely beautiful. It's a certain type of romaine, but it's going to be very red. That's my understanding. Let me actually take you over to the germination station right now and show you what I'm going to be putting down there. All right, so as you can see here on the countertop, I have 3. I'm not even using a heating mat this time because I actually could not find my heat mat, but I did just find it. It was on top of my grow tent, which is ridiculous. By the way, if you're wondering what this is, you guys already know. I mean, you have eyes, right? These are almonds. I actually soak my almonds. They taste significantly different than when you basically take it just out of the bag. So this one actually might be ready. This is very interesting. I want to show you guys. If you haven't tried this and you actually eat almonds fairly frequently, soaking them is the only way you should eat them. So if you put them in there, you'll notice this little white head right there. Literally within like 2 to 3 hours, they will develop that little white head. Usually you'll never be able to do this unless you soak the almond, but check this out. You see that? The skin comes right off. And if you actually let them soak for, let's say, 10-15 hours, basically overnight, this almond becomes so soft, so delicious. I bet you guys never even, give me a thumbs up if you never thought that this was even possible, that this is actually skin on this almond. It's unbelievable. I'm not going to eat that right now because I want to talk to you guys about what I got going on here, but make sure you do that. So here's the Redalicious, and that's literally what the seed is called, Redalicious. As you can see here, I have significant germination, and they need to be transported tonight. I already literally have my bucket of all my rock wool. I have my trustworthy Clonex solution right here. I put a couple of drops in there, so that's ready. And these will probably be transported potentially even today, maybe tomorrow, but the shape of the tails, I'm thinking I might be putting them into the rock hole tonight. Now here, I got some beautiful Genovese basil. Absolutely wonderful. As you can see here, the basil seeds are really interesting. As soon as you drop them into the water, they actually develop this almost like jelly outer shell. It's really, really interesting. Look at them. You see them? They kind of have this like little glow around them. So there's gonna be plenty of basil in the upcoming week, so I'm super stoked about that. And here we have, this is my lemon balm and spearmint. I'm actually not sure which one's what, but as you can see here, there's literally teeny little seeds, and oh my god, all of those bigger seeds are actually germinating. And I think those are the spearmint ones, or they're peppermint. I don't know, but I have the information because prior to putting this in there, I took a picture of the actual the little paper case that contained the seeds. So I'll definitely leave it in the description of what this is. But I'm really excited. 3 things that are going to be great Spring is 32, 33 days away, maybe 31 days away. The basil is going to come in handy. Some of this beautiful spearmint or lemon balm is going to be delicious for some tea. And of course, who can go wrong with a bunch of wonderful lettuce? Let's go back in the tent and let's just talk a little bit about what's currently going on and what to expect in the upcoming days and weeks. So back to this old thing. As you can see here, everything's going strong, truly. I mean, if you are familiar with having your own indoor garden, my kid actually pulled this out a couple days ago. We're just going to leave that right there. But overall, if you're familiar with having your indoor garden, a lot of stuff, especially this large of a grow, I mean, this is substantial growth. Substantial growth. This is overgrowth. But in the next few days, all of this will probably be gone. I'm actually very proud of myself of the amount of lettuce I've been consuming, just knowing that it's available. And I've been actually really active more recently. I've been walking a ton outside. It's just, even with the snow, I'm just becoming a really active walker. Like for example, this past Saturday, I walked 6 miles. Super excited. Give me a thumbs up if you're a walker. It's so wonderful just to get out there, clear your head. And I've actually been working on my distance for the past about 4 months. I really started actively walking every day right around November of 2020. So I'm super excited to continue. And I'm very motivated to keep going. So it's awesome. But going back to consuming the lettuce, I just, I like eating healthier too. It's always just fun. And it's amazing to be able to just come in here with a knife. I just trim the heads, just bring them in the kitchen, and just it's just so wonderful. I can't even explain it sometimes how convenient and delicious it is, because there's something about the lettuce that's grown hydroponically and under your own lights inside, under your own roof of your home. It's not even just the mental part and not even the spiritual part, but there's something about this lettuce that's so different than the regular conventional lettuce that you would find at the supermarket. Obviously it's literally 150% cleaner. I mean, there's nothing in here. There's no bugs, there's no dirt, there's no rain, there's nothing, even though rain is clean. But overall, I mean, there's nothing in here that could contaminate anything. That's the beautiful part about it. I come in here, snip, 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 put it on a plate, dress it up, add a little bit of something, and boom, I got a beautiful salad for my wife and I. If you have a good salad dressing recipe, leave me a comment down below. I am always looking for new salad dressing recipes. I'm more of a Russian dressing or a blue cheese or an olive oil type of guy. I love them. But leave me something down below if you're being creative and you got something new. So yeah, so basically I'm looking to clear this top out as soon as they go. The new batch goes in the bottom, so I'm not even going to clear this out immediately. I'm going to continue consuming this, but I will be adding some, obviously, substantial growth down below. One pod will be completely dedicated to the basil. 1.5 will probably be committed to the lettuce, and half of the one will be committed to the lemon balm. Now for the lemon balm or the spearmint, whatever I have in there, I'll probably be putting a lot of seeds together in each rock wool, which will really provide a beautiful bouquet in each one of the grow pods. So I'm pretty stoked about that. Anyway, guys, thank you all so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. If you could give me a thumbs up, I would really love that. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. And if you could hit the bell for notifications, that'll be great. That's all it does. If you hit that bell, all it does is notify you every single time I upload a video, which I try every week or every 2 weeks. Whenever I have some time to really show you the current development of what I have going on in the grow tent, I'm super excited to do that for you guys. Make sure to also check out the Facebook page. The link is down below, as well as the Instagram page. The link is down below. I appreciate all of you. You guys are fantastic. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a blessed day.